Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science with eBay, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what data science is and its relevance in today's world. Familiarize yourself with the key concepts and techniques used in data science, such as statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. Identify the tools commonly used in data science, including Python, R, SQL, and various data visualization. Set up your development environment by downloading and installing the necessary software, like Anaconda for Python. Create accounts on eBay to access their data through APIs and datasets available on platforms like Kaggle. Explore eBay's developer documentation to learn how to utilize their APIs effectively. Start with small projects using eBay data, focusing on tasks like data cleaning and basic analysis. Learn how to extract data from eBay using their APIs or datasets. Conduct exploratory data analysis to uncover insights and trends within the data. Practice building predictive models using machine learning algorithms like linear regression or decision trees. Visualize your findings using tools like Matplotlib or Seaborn in Python. Share your projects on platforms like GitHub to showcase your skills and build a portfolio. Engage with the data science community by participating in forums and attending webinars. Continue learning through online courses, tutorials, and resources to deepen your understanding. Stay updated on industry trends and new tools that can enhance your data science skills. Consider working on collaborative projects or contributing to open source projects related to data science and eBay. Reflect on your progress and adjust your learning path as needed based on your interests and goals. By following these steps, you can effectively start your journey in data science with a focus on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.